How to manage pop-out player on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage pop-out player on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then click this one here on your profile, and then click this one, account settings, and now click this one, preferences, and now all you need to do is just click here to turn it off, and as you see automatically pop out player has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it, and as you see that's how manage pop out automatically pop out player on Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.